President Muhammadu Buhari has expressed absolute confidence in the ability of his administration to make history, despite the prevailing insecurity situation in some parts of the country. Receiving the Grand Khalifa of Tijjaniya Islamic movement worldwide, the president said his administration is well aware of its responsibility with regards to security, and such will not be abdicated. State House correspondent Adam Sambo has details.
The Grand Khalifa of the Tijjaniya Islamic movement the world over, Tijjani Ali bin Arabi, was led to the State House by the Governor of Kano State, Abdullahi Umar Ganduje. On the delegation include the Emir of Kano, Aminu Ado Bayero, and the leader of Tijjaniya Islamic movement in Nigeria, Sheikh Tahir Usman Bauchi. Governor Ganduje had told the president that the world leader of Tijjaniya movement was invited to Nigeria by the Kano state government to lead the faithful in fervent prayers to Allah for the country, considering the complexities around security in particular.
The government of Nigeria, under your leadership, has done a lot in order to solve the problem of insecurity in this country. But Your Excellency, prayers to God subhanahu wa ta'ala for his intervention is absolutely necessary. Prayers were offered for peace and stability of this country. Apart from the religious consideration, we also decided to make the Tijjaniya Islamic movement as a tool of diplomacy in terms of education, commerce, and agriculture.
President Muhammadu Buhari thanked the Kano State Governor for the initiative, saying, through prayers, God will give guidance and strength to leaders to be accountable and do the right things for sustainable peace, stability, and overall national development.
I'm grateful that those influential leaders of this religious sect have agreed to come and pay us a visit. All I can say, I hope God will listen to our prayers, bring stability to Nigeria.
The president urged Nigerians to be fair to his government in assessing the security issue in the country by reflecting on what obtained at the time he took over in 2015, taking pride in the fact that a decisive break has been achieved from the past, particularly in the northeast and south-south. The president promised that the northwest, which had given the nation some headache, will also experience a turnaround for the better.
We have done our best. We keep on praying for God to give us the power to do the right things and see the results of our hard work and commitment to the country.
The president urged citizens of the country to take responsibility and show interest in the affairs of their own security to complement what the government is doing. During the event, the leader of Tijjaniya movement in Nigeria, Sheikh Tahir Usman Bauchi, and the Grand Khalifa Tijjani Ali bin Arabi extolled the existing cordial relations between Nigeria and Algeria and prayed for guidance and blessings for the country and its leaders. From the State House, Adamu Sambo, NTA News.